Crash course on Iran. When did Persia become Iran? Iran, located in southwestern Asia, is a country with a rich history and culture. It has been inhabited since ancient times and has been the center of many empires throughout history. Here is a crash course on Iran, including its history, culture, and current political situation. Persia becomes Iran. Persia was the name of the country before it became Iran. The name change occurred in 1935 under the rule of Reza Shah, who wanted to emphasize Iran's Aryan heritage. The term Iran comes from the Persian word Iranian, which means land of the Ions. History of Iran. Iran has a rich and diverse history, dating back to ancient times. The country was home to one of the world's first civilizations, the Elamites, who lived in the region over 5,000 years ago. Later, the Persian Empire rose to power under the Achaemenids, who ruled from 550 to 330 BC. During the Islamic Golden Age, Iran was a center of learning and scholarship. Persian scholars made significant contributions to mathematics, astronomy, and medicine, and their works were translated into many languages. In modern times, Iran has gone through many changes, including the Islamic Revolution of 1979, which led to the establishment of an Islamic Republic. The country has faced international sanctions due to its nuclear program, which has led to tensions with the United States and other Western countries. Culture of Iran. Iranian culture is a rich blend of ancient traditions and modern influences. The country is home to many famous poets and writers, such as Rumi and Hafiz, who have influenced Persian literature for centuries. Persian cuisine is also well known, with dishes like kebabs, stews, and rice dishes being popular around the world. Iranian music is also a significant part of the country's culture, with traditional instruments like the tar, sitar, and santur being played alongside modern instruments like the guitar and piano. Iranian art, including miniature painting and calligraphy, is also highly regarded. Iran's current political situation. Iran's political situation is complex and often contentious. The country is an Islamic republic, with ultimate authority resting with the supreme leader, who is a religious figure. The president and the parliament also play a significant role in the country's politics. Iran has been subject to international sanctions due to its nuclear program, which has been a source of tension with the United States and other Western countries. In recent years, there have been protests against the government, with many Iranians expressing frustration with the economy and political corruption. Interesting stories and examples. One of the most famous stories about Iran is the story of Scheherazade, the legendary queen who saved her life by telling stories to her husband, the king, for 1001 nights. The story has been the basis for many films, plays, and books, and has become a beloved part of Iranian culture. Another interesting story is that of Cyrus the Great, the founder of the Persian Empire. He was known for his compassion and respect for human rights, and his legacy has inspired many Iranians throughout history. Iran is also known for its beautiful architecture, with landmarks like the ancient city of Persepolis and the Jame Mosque of Isfahan attracting visitors from around the world. In recent years, Iran has become known for its street art, with artists using graffiti and murals to express themselves and comment on political and social issues. This vibrant art scene has been a way for Iranians to express their creativity and challenge the status quo. In conclusion, Iran is a country with a rich history and culture, but it has also faced many challenges and struggles over the years. Its current political situation is complex, but Iranians continue to express themselves through art, music, and literature, showing their. Here are top 12 facts on Iran. 1. Location. Iran is located in southwestern Asia, bordered by Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iraq, Turkey, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. 2. History. Iran has a rich and diverse history, dating back to ancient times. The country was home to one of the world's first civilizations, the Elamites, who lived in the region over 5,000 years ago. Later, the Persian Empire rose to power under the Achaemenids, who ruled from 550 to 330 BC. 3. Language. Persian, also known as Farsi, is the official language of Iran. It is an Indo-European language and is spoken by over 50 million people worldwide. 4. Religion. Islam is the dominant religion in Iran, with over 90% of the population being Muslim. Shia Islam is the official religion, and the majority of Iranians follow this branch of Islam. 5. Culture. Iranian culture is a rich blend of ancient traditions and modern influences. The country is home to many famous poets and writers, such as Rumi and Hafiz, who have influenced Persian literature for centuries. 6. Food. Persian cuisine is also well known, with dishes like kebabs, stews, and rice dishes being popular around the world. 7. Music. Iranian music is also a significant part of the country's culture, with traditional instruments like the tar, sitar, and santur being played alongside modern instruments like the guitar and piano. 8. Art. Iranian art, including miniature painting and calligraphy, is also highly regarded. 9. Political system. Iran is an Islamic republic, with ultimate authority resting with the supreme leader, who is a religious figure. The president and the parliament also play a significant role in the country's politics. 10. Economy. Iran has a diversified economy, with oil and gas exports being a major source of income. However, the country has faced international sanctions due to its nuclear program, which has had an impact on its economy. 11. Architecture. Iran is known for its beautiful architecture, with landmarks like the ancient city of Persepolis and the Jame Mosque of Isfahan attracting visitors from around the world. 12. Natural resources. Iran is rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals such as copper, zinc, and iron ore. The country also has significant water resources, with the Karen River being the country's longest river. Here is a poem on Iran. Iran, land of ancient splendor, where poetry and art do render. A rich culture that stood the test of time, and echoes still in every rhyme. From the Elamites to the Achaemenids, to the Safavids and beyond indeed. Persia's legacy is truly grand. A history that's vast and spans the land. The minarets and domes of Isfahan, or the ancient ruins of Persepolis, Iran, are testaments to the artistry of a people who've crafted their own destiny. The saffron and rosewater of Persian cuisine, or the tar and santur, instruments serene, all speak to a culture that's rich and deep, and a people who've kept their traditions to keep, with a land that's diverse and full of life. From the Alborz Mountains to the Caspian Sea's strife, Iran's beauty is a sight to behold, a wonder to all who do behold. May Iran's people continue to thrive, with a culture that's rich and alive. May the world see the beauty they hold dear, and cherish the land that we revere. **** Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.